Hello and namaste to all my wonderful viewers. I hope you are healthy and happy today and taking good care of yourself. I am Neelam Singh and today we are going to make mutton curry. This mutton curry will be medium spicy with lot of curry so that you can enjoy it with roti, rice and millet bhakris. If you like this mutton curry, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is 2 pounds of mutton, which is approximately 1 kilogram. This is 4 medium onions chopped finely, which is approximately 2.5 cups. This is 2 medium diced tomatoes, which is approximately 1 cup. 1.5 tablespoon of lightly dry roasted ground flour. I'm going to use 3 tablespoon of ghee. You can use any other oil. 1.5 tablespoon of minced ginger. 1.5 tablespoon of minced garlic. 2 slit green chilies. 1 black cardamom. 8 cloves. 10 peppercorns, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 pinches of hing, half cup chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder. I will be grinding this clove and peppercorns slightly coarse. Adding ghee to the pan, adding peppercorns. Okay. Adding onions. Roast this onion for 1 minute. Now we are going to add ginger and garlic paste. Mix this well and let this roast for 1 minute. Now I am adding mutton. After adding the mutton, now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Saute well for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now I am going to add turmeric to it. Mix this turmeric well. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now let's add red chili powder. Add coriander powder, the green chilies and garam masala. Mix it well. Let's add 1 cup of hot water. Never add cold water to your curries because it will ruin its taste. Now we are going to cover it with lid and let it cook for 20 minutes on medium heat. You can stir it in between after every 5 minutes. 20 minutes are done. Now we are going to add tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to add another 1 cup of hot water. Now we'll close the lid and let it cook for another 20 minutes. 20 minutes are done. So now let's take a look at our curry. This curry is now looking mouth-watering. This mutton will need another 15 minutes to be cooked. So let's cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. Now I am going to add the roasted ground flour to it. And 2 pinches of hing. Mix it well. If you want more curry, you can add little bit hot water at this stage and let it boil for another 15 minutes. This recipe is lengthy. It takes time, but it tastes really good. Much better than pressure cooked mutton. It's almost 2.5 hours now and our curry is ready. Look at the texture of this curry. It's cooked thoroughly and ready to eat. I'm adding chopped coriander leaves to it. On popular demand at my home, I have made rice and roti. So now we are going to enjoy this mutton curry with rice and roti. I hope you enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification of all the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.